Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Logitech Z333 Multimedia Speakers in black. Yeah, loud, deep, clear sound for your music, movies and games. That 333 delivers 80-watt peak power and 40-watt RMS sustained power. Experience intense bass with a large 5-inch front firing driver. A lot of power and a large driver are required to accurately reproduce and make you feel the low end frequencies. By directing the low frequencies to this dedicated subwoofer, it provides the most optimum listening experience and allows you to hear the bass as it was recorded. Yeah, and now let's have a look what's inside. On top of the box there are some instruction manuals. This is really cool, so you can't lose them at the beginning, but it's a little problem. You have to store the package. But okay, if you didn't care that, because you have this awesome unboxing and instruction video for this. Oh yeah, isn't it? That's a lot of coolness. Yeah, so easy as you can see, we are going to install these boxes at the end of this awesome video. So let's have a look what's inside next. Open the box and have a look. So many wraps and so many instruction manual. No, barren to use, isn't it? Go away. We have this awesome video to look again and again and again and again. Like Teletubby says, again. Little joke at the edges. Okay, one-handed action to disassembling this box. Job's done, only for you. But if you're unboxing this product at your home, that will be easily because you have two hands to use. But what is this? This is different, an extra package for the satellite boxes. As you can see, satellite boxes are tiny boxes for all kind of sound. The sound can come from Blu-ray players, PlayStations, CD, compact disc players, laptops, maybe your MP3 player, your smartphone devices, of course. But we will need this subwoofer multimedia speakers combination with our flat screen, because the flat screen has not so good sound on board. We will gain this sound with this multimedia speakers, because the multimedia speakers are cheap enough to place them at the flat screen or under a flat screen, of course. So this is the subwoofer. The subwoofer is 24-watt power. This is a lot. As you can see, everything is wrapped into plastic bags. This is not so natural, but it is important to protect the surface of the product, of course. Maybe you can recycle them. That will be a better way. Okay, let's start. Now it's unboxed. Yeah, there it is. And now on the next step, we are going to look the direct view of the product. Yeah, there's a little soft touch in the front of the speakers and a hard case, a black case, of course. The back side is black too. This is the main product, the subwoofer. It makes bass power. There are some cables, 150 centimeters. These are 4.9 feet long. This is a lot. And there are some devices or the thumb switches to device, plug-ins for the satellites, and so on. This all will connect it to the subwoofer. The subwoofer is the main base of our sound multimedia speakers set. This is an inch cable, of course. This will connect to all kind of stuff. So what is next? There are one remote available. This remote allows you to make a connection to an external device, of course. It makes this on and off switch, and it makes the volume up and volume down. That is nice and easy, really. So now let's have a look. We have to plug it in first, then have a look at downside. Now plug in the left side and the right side. The left side will be blue, the right side will be the black cable. So the red cable is coming at this the plug for R, of course, and you are going to set the bass to maximum, minimum, or medium range, of course. Then plug in the AC power supply, and let's start off having some fun with this awesome multimedia speakers. So I lock in the one cable, the inch cable, into for example device like an Apple iPhone, switch it in, and then it's connected and will play your music and all other stuff, of course. So, and then you can go to make a better bass by on the back side of the bass speaker. You can switch the volume up and down. You can switch on and off at the remote and something else. This is easy to use, nice quality, really nice quality. It is a cheap product. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.